ang gagawin natin itong araw na to, kasi gusto ng alaga kong mag-aral, so gagawin niya ngayon is chicken beef cottage pie. So here are the ingredients: shredded pasta cheese, the Worcestershire sauce, kuha kami ng butter, at ayun na yung mashed potato na minash ng alaga ko kanina. Chicken, 1 kilogram, and then beef, 678 gram. Instead of walang celery, ito na lang. Mushroom. Dalawang ano.
Hashtag not sponsored.
And then, onions, green peas, carrots, and then, ayan, inaano ng aking alaga yung garlic para matuto siya kung paano maghiwang niya. Slice it into tiny pieces. And then, these are the flour, the 4 na kutsarang flour. And then, this is the pink Himalayan salt, the rosemary, cayenne pepper, at saka yung red pepper, pinaghalo ko. And then, this is the basil leaves, ground pepper. So, ayan. Ito lahat yung mga ano namin. Okay? Tinurn on ng alaga ko yung ano. Ayan. Ayan.
More?
Okay, more.
Good enough?
Okay, enough. Then you first saute the onions because the garlic gonna be turned into golden brown easily. So, is it hot now?
I don't know.
Okay, sige. No, you do it like that.
How do you figure out if it's hot or not? Does the oil have to sizzle, I think?
Yeah, it will gonna be
And just spreading it.
ito na yung mashed potatoes na meron ng halong grated cheese at saka butter. And then, we also have ayun yung olive oil na ginamit. Hindi ito sponsored, ha? Okay.
All of it.
Okay, all of it. All of it. Okay. Kasi she's turning 12 na, so kailangan niya matuto ng pagluluto. Tsaka gusto niyang lutuin itong niluluto niya ngayon. Okay, we do like that, baby. Okay, mix. Okay. Okay, carrots. Okay. Okay, mix. Mix it. Okay, ayan, nagmi-mix na yung ating alaga. She is really eager to learn how to cook talaga. Maigi, mabuti at maano itong alaga ko niya. Pag gusto niya mag-learn, mag-learn talaga siya. She wanted beef. Okay. Okay, slowly, ha? Okay. Very good. Okay, then mix it up. Okay, you mix it up now. After the beef, we're going to put the chicken on the green peas, okay? Chicken. Okay, put the chicken. Okay, mix it up. Okay, mix it up.
Sticking. Hala.
Oo, you mix it up. You hold the ano, bete ka. I'm gonna give you the lalab, the green peas. Yan. Ano na this? Okay, that one.
Mushrooms first?
Green peas and mushroom later na. Green peas first. Okay. Put it on. Okay. Then the mushroom. spices. Okay, get all the spices now, please. Okay, I'll help you mix this one. Okay,
Do I add all of it
all of that.
at once?
Okay, you use that. You use the spoon, Lala, so that your hands will not be under because it's too spicy. The chili gonna be. Okay, sige. All of it, the flour first. Then the flour, everything, you can put everything in there. Okay.
I just put all of it at once.
All at once. Oh, careful. Be careful, okay? So that you'll not be having a hard time. Okay. And then hold the ano so you can mix it like that one. Hold the side of the casserole. It's maybe because of the, yeah, it hurts because of the ground paper. Okay, mix it, Lala, please. Okay. Hold the side of the casserole. Where's your ano? The one that cover your hands para hindi ka you not get hurt. Hindi ka mapapasok. After mixing all of it, also you put the broth. Okay. Put it. It's not that hot, but not too much, huh? Okay. Put. Oh. Ay!
I'm sorry.
You are.
I'm sorry.
Pasensya. Nataranta yung aking alaga. Natural lang to. Medyo nagkalat kasi nga practice ko. No, ako. I'll do the one there. I'll do that one. Then, you mix this one and then cover it with that. Where is the one that I okay? Okay, let it boil. Mix it muna first. And then, upon mixing it. Sige. Anyway, you're just practicing. I'll be the one to clean it. Okay. When you're gonna cook, you should not be panic.
This is hot.
Yeah, it's hot. But that's life. It's part of being a cook. And then you cover it first. And then we let it boil. And then it will be cooked na. Okay. Put it there. Okay. Mga 5 minutes. You need to paste. Squeeze it. Okay, squeeze it.
I thought it would be liquidy.
Okay, you need to squeeze it so it will come out. Okay, and then the tomato sauce.
Wait. Get it all out.
Okay. Okay, tomato sauce. More. Okay, and then the Worcestershire sauce. The Worcestershire sauce.
So
No, you just, okay, take it off and then, okay,
and just stop.
okay,
That's enough?
more. Then we're going to taste it later. Mix it up. Okay,
Huh?
then enough. Mix it up, okay? Okay, follow the way I told you.
Now I am putting the mixture into the glass container, and then I'm going to put some mashed potatoes over it so that we can pop it in the oven.
And you know the result, yummy, no?
Yeah, it's really good.
Okay, sige. Later mo na yan, oh. lagyan mo muna doon sa okay, para ma-spread mo later. Habang nag-preheat pa tayo sa oven. Oh, okay, sige. You scattered it. Okay, sige. Okay. Okay. In the oven.
And here's my finished product. It's super delicious.